Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to start earning money with AdSlice, a platform that pays you for engaging with ads. Whether you're a newbie or just looking for a new side hustle, this guide will take you through the entire process, step by step. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the AdSlice website or download the app. Add extension to Chrome. Signing up is quick and easy. Simply click on Sign Up and fill in your basic details like your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you'll need it to verify your account. After filling out the form, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link to confirm your account, and you're all set to log in. Now that your account is active, it's time to set up your profile. This step is crucial because it helps AdSlice match you with ads that are relevant to your interests. The more detailed your profile, the better your ad experience will be. Fill in your demographic information, select your interests, and don't forget to save your changes. With your profile set up, you can now start earning. Browse through the available ads and select one to watch. Each ad will show you how much you can earn before you start watching. Simply click on an ad, watch it until the end, and your earnings will be credited to your account. To maximize your earnings, be sure to engage with the content, like taking any associated quizzes or surveys. The more you interact, the more you can potentially earn. But don't stop at just watching ads. AdSlice offers additional ways to earn. Check out their surveys and quizzes for more earning opportunities. And don't forget to invite your friends using your referral link. Each successful referral could mean extra cash in your account. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, it's time to cash out. Head over to the payout section in your account. Here, you can choose from various withdrawal methods like PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards. Simply select your preferred method, enter the necessary details, and confirm your withdrawal. Your money will be on its way soon. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to start earning with AdSlice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.